Okay. Now next algorithm is the Prim's algorithm. Okay. Now you can note down the Prim's algorithm here from the video. Prim's algorithm. Okay. Some uh, four nodes are there. Okay. A, B, C, and D. Now uh, here for each U, key and pi variables are there. Key and pi variables are there. Initially all are infinite, means it's a large number, and pi nil means we don't know who is the parent. Okay, so G is a graph. We have to pass the weights also, 4, 2, 1, 6, and R is the initial node from where you have to start. Initial node. Assume this is the initial node from where you can start. R key is equal to 0, so make it 0. R key is equal to 0. Just take one queue. It's a data structure where it's a heap tree, mean heap tree, where you store weights. Okay, say A, B, C, D, and associated weights are there. So okay, so Q is equal to V, all the nodes are there. Now while Q equal to V, you extract mean Q. Okay, now here, okay, now in Q we store A, B, C, D, all the nodes and associated key values. So our initial value R is A, so here it is 0 and remaining are infinite. Okay, so you extract mean Q. So what is U? So what is U? U is equal to A, first one. Okay, now for each V adjacent U, the adjacent nodes are B and D. Okay, now if V is a part of Q, now just take one by one. So V is equal to B. B is a part of Q. B is a part of Q. Yes. So already you have extracted A. Yes, B is there. And weight in between UV, weight in between AB, weight in between AB, which is 2, is more than, is less than V key. What is V? V is B. B key value is what? Infinite. The condition is true. Then y V pi means its pi will be the U. What is U? U is equal to A. Okay. What is U? U is equal to A. That means here parent will be A and updated Q value is weight between UV. What is UA and what is VB? AB, weight in between AB, and weight in between B is 2. So make it 2. So here the weight is 2. Next V is D. Next V is D. Okay. Now V is a part of Q. D is a part of Q. Yes, D is a part of Q. Okay, and weight in between UV, weight in between AD is less than infinite. So A to A and D, it is 4. Okay, obviously it is less. So upgrade this one. So now the parent will be A and weight will be 4. Okay, so here D should be the 4. Okay, we have to update it. Next, once again, this one loop, Q not equal to V. Yes, some values are there. Extract mean Q. So U is equal to B. You have to extract B because minimum is 2. So B. Now for each V adjacent, so adjacent nodes of B, A and C, A and C. Now if V is a part of Q, now first V is A. A is a part of Q. No, condition is not true. So don't execute this one. Now for checking for C, C is a part of Q. Yes, C is there. Then update this one. So key value in between B and C. So this will be the 6 and parent will be the B. Okay. So now the modified value is 6. Next, once again, while extract mean, so d, so u is equal to d. Now for each v adjacent, the adjacent of d are a and c, but a is not part of the q, so don't do anything. Now c is a part of q. Then each for if weight in between uv is less than q key, now weight in between dc, weight in between d and c, it is 3. Okay, and and present key value is 6. So weight in between dc, it is 3, and present key value is 6. So this 6 value is more than 3, so we have to update this one. So updated value will be 3, and now the parent will be not b, it will be d. So we have to update the parent as well as the key value. Okay, so next, finally, while q not equal to v, no, something is there. Now the updated value is 4. Extract mean, so we have to extract c. Adjacent of c, so adjacent of c is b and d, but b or d not a part of the q, and come out from the loop, end of this figure. Now we will get a, parent is nil, key 0. Next, b, parent will be a, and the distance in between 2 is 2. d, parent will be a. Sorry, for d we have to update this one. So for d, okay, for d it is, if it is ad, for d it is ad, we have to update this one. Okay, that will not be 4, that will be the from b, sorry, b. Okay, so d is also there, sorry, d is also there, and here if b is equal to d, you have to update this. So for this case, parent will be the b. Okay, parent will be the b, and key value will be the 1. Okay, so key value in my parent will is b, and c, key value will be the 3, and parent will be d. So this is the minimum cost spanning tree using Prim's algorithm. Okay, and that is the end of this particular video.